Good morning, great thanks. How are you? I hope to be well. Today we are going to talk about future passive. I think we talked it before in the previous video, but I will make quick checkup. Let's move to the next slide. Look here. Affirmative sentence, active sentence. In affirmative case, I will write a letter. I will write a letter. Here we have I as a subject. We have will write as a verb, and we have a letter as an object. We divide the sentence into subject, verb, and an object, and we move a object to the new sentence. We move the object at the beginning of a new sentence. A letter, we put well, and we put be, and we. Then we change the form for the form of the verb from verb 1 to verb 3. So will written بتصير will be written. We put well and be, and we change the form of the verb from verb 1 to verb 3. Then we add by plus the subject, but the first the last step, it is not necessary. Here another example. She will help me. She, it's a subject. Will help, it's a verb. Me, an object. We change me to I because me, it's an object pronoun. We change it to subject pronoun. ما بصير أبلش الجملة بمي فبرجعها لأصلها I. I, we put well, be, and we put help in verb 3, helped by her. By her, it is not necessary. Here, John will learn the lesson. The lesson will be learned by John. Okay? I think teacher Selma, يا teacher شرحت هذا الإشي, but I will make quick checkup about it. Here we have the steps how to change the sentence from passive to active. حكينا we divide the sentence into subject, verb, and object. We put the object at the beginning of a new sentence. We put will plus be and change the form of the verb from verb 1 to verb 3. Okay? Yes, here we have another example. We will take the horse to the stable. The horse will be taken to the stable by them. Here, by us, not by them. Yes, the negative form, we put object will not or won't, be plus verb 3 and by the subject. Like this one, the birds will not eat those cookies. The birds is subject, will not eat. Verb, those cookies, an object. We put those cookies at the beginning of a new sentence, will not be eaten by the birds. The last form is question form. Will the boss give me a job? Well, هي أداة السؤال. The boss subject, give verb, a object, a job, the object. Here we put well, the object, هي a job. We put be, and the verb 3 from give is given. Now let's move to the workbook. Now here الجملة already محولة to the passive, okay? But we are going to use the form of the verb, okay? So we are going to put will, be, and verb 3. Will, be, and verb 3. وهم حاطين لي الobject at the beginning of the sentence, okay? The object already is here. Yes, here we have box of verb. Let's read them. We have bring, all of these verb in a present verb. So verb 1, sold, wear, use, put on, and invite. We are going to put in the space will, be plus verb 3. Number 1, the fashion show space in the school hall. The fashion show will be put on in the school hall. شايفين مش حاطين by لأنها الباي plus subject not necessary. The stage in the hall space for the show. the stage in the hall will be, and we use used. Okay, the clothes will be brought to school by Mrs. Berry. Here, the clothes will be worn, الverb 3 من wear, worn by the pupils. Pupils the same with the student, okay? NP6. Here, the children families will be invited to the show. The last one, all the problems will be solved. So we use will plus be plus verb 3 according to the meaning of that sentence. We use the correct verb. Okay, teacher لازم نحفظ تصريف الأفعال تبعت الverbs. Okay, so the verb 3 from bring brought, sold, wear worn, use used, put, invite invite. Yes, the next question, make a question. Okay, هاي الفورم تبعت الكويستشن. Can we put well at the beginning of the sentence or at the beginning of the question, then we put object be plus verb 3. Okay, هم already مرتبين بس احنا بدنا نحط well. Okay, will be والverb 3. هنا ننزل أداة السؤال. عندي when the house built, we put when. Okay, then we put well. So when, well, where is the object? The house is the object. When will the house be built? We change build to built. Okay, when will the house be built? The next one, it finish soon. Here إذا كان عندي أداة سؤال بنزل أداة السؤال، ما كان عندي أداة سؤال هي will بتكون أداة السؤال يا teacher. Will it the object. Okay, will it be finished soon? Will it be finished soon? Here, where, okay, the object, where, will the sheep be taken? Where will the sheep be taken? Okay, the verb 3 from take is taken. Here, they sell at the market. We put well, the object, they be sold. Okay, the past tense of sell is sold. Okay, so will they be sold at the market? And don't forget the question mark. Here, how, we put how, then we put well. Where's the object? The ship is the object. So how will the ship be saved? How will the ship be saved? Here, well, ما عندي أداة سؤال, so we put well. Okay, if the object be broken by the wave. Will it be broken by the wave? Now we are going to make the sentence negative by adding not. It's very easy. بنحط not to the next to the well. We put not next to the well. Teacher, will not نحكيها won't like this. نكتبها like this. Okay? Here, the car will be mended. The car will not be mended or won't be mended. The play will be performed next weekend. The play will not or won't be performed next weekend. The children will be given presents. The children won't be given presents. Here we have S, sorry. Put S here, okay? Yes, the dresses will be made of silk. Silk معناها حرير, okay? The dresses will not be or won't be made of silk. A hotel will not or won't be built near the beach. The school will not be shut tomorrow. Okay, shut the same with close. Okay, it's very easy. If you have any questions, check with me on WhatsApp. يعطيكم العافية and thank you for listening.